Yeah, I don't think I can miss another one, otherwise I can't unlock it. Keep watching. If you want to unlock Duolingo Checkpoint 5, we're gonna do that right now. I'm Kuijo. Not in China right now, stuck in Mexico because of the Chris. Came here for 3-week kind of vacation to learn Spanish, and now it's been 2 months. Hopefully, subscribe to my channel, so I can help you learn some Chinese. Tiang means peace. 是 middle room. I want you to learn. That's why I'm here. I've been teaching for like 3 years now online. Like Li Wu is present. Yeah. And a lot of people learning, especially you if you're learning by yourself, you might not know Jing. Oh, Jing. Nice. You might not know all the things to do or how to put together your own like learning lesson plan or your own learning system so that you can actually achieve 换 everything you want to achieve. You know your goals, but it really is hard to get there with Chinese. 情 Huh. Thought that was first tone. Li. Anyway, fu. I could like teach you what these characters are, but I'm just gonna let you watch the screen because for the unlock. 我们今天 we just arrived today. 我们今天刚到 because this level is really long. I don't want the level to take you forever. Do you even like Duolingo? Maybe there's other apps that you've used. Leave a comment below. Like, tell the elementary Chinese family what other apps.
他们不说英语，我们不说中文，怎么办？6元4角。
Oh, like 6.4 yuan? That was easy. Caught me off guard.
机场
在 north side.
城市北边。
Really? It's also not that hard.
明年我和朋友会去法国。
Next year, me and a friend are going to France. My friend and I are going to France next year. Yes.
咖啡馆上面有图书馆。
今年春节我不能跟家人一起过。
Hey, if you're enjoying this, take a screenshot right now and tag me on Instagram. I can't celebrate Chinese New Year with my family. I cannot celebrate Chinese New Year with my family this year. I'm correct. What do you know? I can speak Chinese.
今天有比赛。
好在不下雨。No. Where's the 不下雨? Oh, 好在没有下雨。Oh, dang it, what? Okay, I have to defend myself. I got that wrong. But, okay, you can see it on the screen anyway. First of all, I said 今天有比赛。好在没有下雨。And I forgot the 我们. Now, before you jump on me and say, Kuijo, you know how to speak Chinese and blah, 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 you need to know that frequently the pronouns are omitted in Chinese because of context, right? You don't need to say 我们 in this case.
那双黄色的鞋子是我的。
That yellow pair of shoes is mine. So I said that yellow pair of shoes is mine, and yeah, I don't think I can miss another one, otherwise I can't unlock it. Keep watching.
今天我不想洗衣服。
Better be right.
你想吃火锅还是炒饭？
Would you like to eat hot pot or fried rice? Better say I'm correct. Shoot.
请
Oh, 停车? Nope.
停
请靠左边. What? 请靠左边停? You don't need that 停. No. 请靠左边 is just like, please get over on the right or the left side. You don't absolutely need the 停. Come on, seriously.
外面下着雨，你出去要带伞。
Duolingo, why are you being a punk? Outside. It's raining outside. And there's 下着雨, 这 like after a verb means ing, like gerund, but you don't need that. 外面下雨, it should be 你出去带伞. Sun is short for 雨伞, so take an umbrella when you go out. Take an umbrella when you go out. Of course I'm correct. I can speak Chinese. Why are you just being so mean to me other times, Duolingo? Beside
他 一个月前参加了
That's 了 Duolingo fix your error
了
参加了
比赛
Word order in real life Chinese is not always the same as word order in book or app Chinese. Remember that. Don't panic and have a hissy fit if you get it wrong. Tell me I passed. That would be an unlock. If you want to see the next unlock, tap or click the screen right there. And if you want another video of, say, people who live in China like me sharing their best tips with you, tap or click the screen right there. There's a nice little playlist. My name's Kuei-jo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want. Good study. Day up.